I'm back. So, because everybody has been so stinking generous to me, it's been just amazing. I haven't given you guys a tip in a while, and I thought, I'm going to pay it forward and give you guys a tip. And I wanted to talk about blogging, and I know a lot of people think blogging is dead, but I thought I would give you a reason why, if you don't have a blog on your website, you need to now put one on your website, and why it's important. So, blogging in the past has been all about, people reading and following and this, that, and the other. Well, now it's more about content and why content is important. And the reason it's important is because you need fresh content on your website to do the one thing, and that is attract search engines to your site. And search engines are more likely to be attracted to a website that is active than one that is static. So, while you might have great keywords and this, that, and the other, and SEO on your site, if it's a static site and doesn't have any activity on it, it's less likely to be attracted to search engines. So, you don't have to write some long, fantastic post every single day. But it is wise to post on a weekly basis, 3 times a week, something like that, to attract the search engines to your site. Obviously, the more active your site is, the more likely your site is going to come up in search engines organically. So my suggestion to you is to schedule some short blog posts that have keywords in it, like great makeup artist. You can even end it with hashtags. And one thing that I do with some of my clients that I help market is I actually just blog post the same sort of social media posts. So all of this stuff in like the 10 days in the MUA business boosters that I do, you can take all of that content. You can even take old content, old posts, anything you've done in the past, and schedule them in your blog so that your website has activity generating and becomes more attractive to search engines. Very simple tip, but super duper important, and not something that I've shared with you in the past. So take that and run with it. Throw a blog page up on your website, get in the scheduler, post a bunch of stuff, even if it's just old post, old regurgitating content. Content is content. Make sure there are some keywords in it and get your website running, okay? So that's my free tip today. Get a blog, because the only person that matters who's reading it are the spider bots. Those are the people that we want to go there. You don't have to have a bazillion followers. You just need the search engines to find you. So work on attracting those search engines and those spider bots, and I promise it'll make a difference. See you later.